My name is Thomas Lapoma. I am a co-founder and co-CTO of Rest Devices, and I handle all of our early stage R&D, manufacturing, and supply chain. Rest Devices is a startup out of MIT. We make the first of the connected nursery products. So we have a onesie that a baby can wear. It collects a bunch of different information about the baby. It collects breathing data, position, sleep information, sends all of that over the internet to a parent's cell phone so they can see what's going on in real time. They don't have to worry about their baby as they sleep, and then anything they want to know about, they can get alerts right to their phone. At Rest Devices, we're a really small team, but we do everything ourselves and we do it really quickly. So everything about the Mimo monitor is actually built and manufactured in the US in New England, but then also we do a lot of the engineering and manufacturing here. So in the press, we have a high temperature head coming down and actually melting plastic on top of some metal parts to hold them in place. One of the issues we were having was not only was the tool holder starting to fail, but also those metal pieces were actually coming out of the part while it was being pressed and causing failures. So with the Mark I, we were able to actually stop the print midway, insert magnets into the actual tool holder, and that was able to much more accurately hold everything in place as the actual machining was going on. We were able to prototype and iterate on some of our designs much faster than we would have been able to otherwise. We were able to go from one new part design change a month down to multiple iterations every day, which is really, really great. We're also able to reduce some of the costs in some of those parts down from $2,000 or $3,000 to have something sent out and milled down to just the cost of the material.